Hi, this is Keith Kreis again. Welcome to beautiful Grand Park Subdivision in Plainfield. This pool house community has something for everybody. Grand Park is one of the premier destinations in Plainfield. These custom and semi-custom homes are a hot commodity. So if you're thinking of moving, Grand Park is a place that you really need to take a look at. The school systems are absolutely outstanding. They either go to Plainfield North High School or Oswego East High School. Both are rated 10 on greatschools.org. These semi-custom homes are absolutely gorgeous. It comes with a in-ground pool and a clubhouse for your entertaining purposes. So if you're interested in either buying or selling, please give me a call. My name's Keith Kreis with Charles Rutenberg Realty. I'm the top 3% Premier agent and a top 1% Trulia agent. Thank you again.